Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, it's class 12th again, and our subject is zoology. And our today's topic is chromosomal disorders in humans. Chromosomal disorders in humans, or in other words, we call it also as syndromes. Syndromes. Dear students, there are three main types of syndromes or chromosomal disorders. Number one, Down syndrome. Number two, Turner syndrome. Number three, Klinefelter syndrome. Our topic is chromosomal disorders in humans, or in other words, we call it syndromes. Now, there are three types of disorders. Down syndrome is one of the disorders, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome. Now, dear students, today we discuss what is Down syndrome. सबसे पहले हम बताएंगे इसकी डिस्कवरी क्या है, ये कहां से डिस्कवर हुआ है. The Down syndrome, it is also called as Mongolism. Mongolism or Mongolian idiocy. This Down syndrome was for the first time discovered by a scientist, by a British scientist in 1866. The name of the scientist was John Langdon Down. That is why this syndrome is also called as Down syndrome. And later, the John Langdon and his co-workers in 1959, they worked and found the causes of this syndrome. Dear students, it's our topic, today's topic, that's chromosomal disorders in humans, or in other words, we call it syndromes. Syndromes are three types, that is the Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome. That Down syndrome is concerned, it is also called Mongolian or Mongolism idiocy. This syndrome was for the first time discovered in 1866 by John Langdon and Down. That is why on the name of this Down, it is also called as Down syndrome. Later, he and his co-workers worked in 1959, found the causes of this syndrome. This is the introduction about the discovery of this syndrome, Down syndrome. Now, what are the symptoms? How can we say that the person has symptoms, is in a Down syndrome? Symptoms iske kya hai? The first symptom is that the face of the persons who are in Down syndrome, face are rounded faces. Forehead is broad forehead is there. तीसरा symptom है flat nasal passage, stubby fingers, little and flattened hands, low intelligence due to the malfunctioning of mental disorder. And some other symptoms ब्रॉड राउंडेड फेस होते हैं, उनमें ब्रॉड फोर्ड हेड होता है, फ्लैटेड नसल्स होते हैं, स्टॉपी फिंगर्स होते हैं, लिटिल एंड फ्लैटेड हैंड्स होते हैं, लो इंटेलिजेंस होते हैं ड्यू टू दिस माल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ ब्रेन, और ड्यू टू द माल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ ब्रेन. And gonads and genitalia are underdeveloped. Gonads and genitalia are underdeveloped. The symptoms which are found in a person who is in a Down syndrome, that the face is rounded, broad forehead, flattened nostrils, stubby fingers, flattened hands, low intelligence due to the malfunctioning of brain, and gonads and genitalia are underdeveloped. These are the symptoms of this disease, this syndrome, this Down's syndrome. Now, causes. This disease is also called as 21 trisomy. Why it is called 21 trisomy? The main cause of this is that the presence of an extra chromosome number of 21. In a normal man and woman, in a normal male and female, there are 23 pairs, that is 46 is the normal number of chromosomes. But in this case, there is 21 pair of chromosome passes into the female egg during the oogenesis of mother. During the oogenesis of mother due to malfunctioning. रिजल्टिंग क्या हो रहा है? रिजल्ट में क्या होता है कि 44 प्लस x1 in male and 44 plus 44 plus x1 in man and 44 plus x1 in woman. Yes, that is 45 plus x1 in male and 45 plus x in female. In male and female. That means instead of 46, there is 47 number of chromosomes in male and 47 number of chromosomes in female. This extra chromosome creates this syndrome. That is why it is called a 21 trisomy. That is a 21 pair of chromosomes is found extra. That is why there is the 3 number of chromosomes of the same kind which becomes extra chromosome. Instead of 46 there is 47, instead of 46 there becomes 47. That is instead of 44 plus x1 xy and 44 plus xx, instead of that it becomes 45 plus x1 xy and 45 plus xx. This extra chromosome number creates this disorder which is called Down's syndrome, and its incidence is among 600 children is found 1 children. अगर 600 बच्चों की बर्थ हो जाएगी तो इसमें से एक बच्चा ऐसा पाया जाता है जिसमें डाउन सिंड्रोम होता है. This is the cause, introduction and symptoms of the Down syndrome. That's it.